As a nation, it is the places, it is the people, and it is the wildlife that all come together to help define who we are. Together, they help form our American heritage, a conservation heritage built on a foundation that is as strong today as it has ever been, thanks to the manufacturers who supply the funding that make conservation possible. Unbeknownst to many, a percentage of the cost of firearms, ammunition, and archery equipment provide the funding that state and federal fish and wildlife agencies use to conserve our natural resources. A unique aspect to conservation is that the type of craftsmanship and pride that go into making the products in these facilities ultimately support the women and men working to conserve our outdoor way of life. These partnerships between the manufacturers of hunting and shooting supplies and state and federal fish and wildlife agencies have held true for decades, creating the single most concerted effort to conserve wildlife in perpetuity the world has ever seen. Thanks to the work ethic of these women and men, our accomplishments of restoring America's wildlife are anchored in our history, and our capacity to meet the challenges of the future knows no bounds, as our legacy to future conservation is solidified in our commitment to our partners and wild animals in wild places.